Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi.
So it's been a while since I've uploaded. A lot of stuff's been going down through the pandemic, and long story short, I am in the process of moving this month. So I have a couple or maybe a few more weeks to be out of the house. I've been packing lots, so everything's been kind of chaotic, kind of a mess. But I'm just gonna bring you through my day. Today is just gonna be kind of like washing clothes, cleaning things out, and then packing a few things away. I am also in the process of cleaning out my garage. It is so bad. It took 5 or 6 hours yesterday and only half of it's done. So I will show you the other half that we do. So we stopped by Something's Brewing earlier today to get a fruit plate. I'm in a vegetable plate with hummus. Yum. And some bagels. Right, Yuri?
I love broccolis. They're great and healthy. And did you know carrots are healthy for your eyesight?
So these are just some of the clothes I've washed so far. Some of the ones I've been separating. It's a gigantic mess. And this is still stuff I have to clean, and I still have more downstairs. So we're gonna start with that this morning.
Here you go, Mommy. Blankies for when we move. Doing the laundry with Mommy.
So lately I've been using the Method detergent and fabric softener in, what's this, ginger mango. It smells so good. I actually saw a Love Meg video and she was using this, and I just thought it sounded kind of strange but kind of good, and I really wanted to try it, and I actually really like it.
So now we're going to do the softener and detergent.
Yuri's gonna do the honors. So that one and the big one.
To the line.
Big one.
This one is the detergent. Oh, soapy. Let's go past the line. Alright, I'll just...
Good job.
Alright, that's it.
Good job, team. This is the rest of kind of what we have to wash, and that's all trash. These are all things that have been kind of getting separated, and we're getting rid of a lot of this stuff. We have all of our moving boxes, and we completely cleaned out this room for the most part. Yeah. It was actually pretty hard to walk in here. This is one of those areas we just threw everything inside. Then after we clean these rooms, we're gonna have to wipe down everything really well. Yuri drew all the walls and all that stuff. So, fun stuff. Okay, so I want to show you guys the garage really quick because it's a mess. But it is a work in progress. This whole area was covered in boxes.
My
and
dress.
Yes, Yuri found a little crochet dress that was mine when I was a little girl. But yeah, there were so many boxes, and a lot of them were filled with books. We have a book addiction. It is really bad. So a bunch of them had to get donated to Goodwill, and then we're just keeping the ones that we still want because we'll most likely just keep buying more anyway. We have this whole other half to do. More books, toys, tools. So I'm basically just waiting for my parents to get here because it's a little bit too much for me to handle on my own. And then they're gonna help me clean it all out. Now that we're ready to hit the garage, we're just going to be sorting and going through all of the boxes and trying to see what is necessary to keep, and just all the other stuff I'm just going to give away to Goodwill, or I'm just going to do without, because I figured if I've gone this long without them, then they're probably just unnecessary. now that the garage is a little bit more in order, I'm going to try tackling some of these backed up dishes, and I have the cutest, tiniest little helper of mine who, no joke, loves helping me out with the dishes, and I just think that that is so adorable. He is definitely Mama's little helper. Forget to rinse it. Good job. So last I'm folding up all of the washed clothes, and I'm going to put them in a really big storage bag. It probably would fit 1 or 2 hampers worth of clothes. That way it will be all neat when I try to unpack and I don't have to refold that many clothes. Then some of these other clothes I'm actually going to keep on hangers. I'm going to fold them in half. That way I can just unfold them. They'll already be on hangers, and I'll just put them where they belong straight away. Really quick, I want to show you guys these 2 fall shirts that I got Gideon because they are my favorite. They are so cute. I love this checkered shirt. It just looks so much like fall, the orange and the whites, but then this other Happy Camper shirt, and it's glow in the dark, and I just think it is so adorable. If you can't tell, I've so been ready for fall. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys love fall too, because it is my favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to press like so I can make more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!